Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you know you can multiply fractions or decimals faster than a calculator just by using the method I explained earlier, the Sutra, which is called vertically and crosswise. Let's see how it makes calculations effortless. This method, vertical and crosswise, is not limited to multiplication only. It is applicable across multiple maths topics like algebra, decimals, fractions, squares, and you can use it even for checking your answer. In today's video, I will show you the examples of most of the topics which can use this method or this sutra. So the first step would be 4 into 3, which is 12. 1 is carried forward. Then we multiply crosswise. 4 into 2 is 8. And 3 into 1 is 3, which makes it 12 with a 1 carry forward. 1 is again carried forward. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 3. We place the decimal since we have two places. After the decimal, we place the decimal before two places. Similarly, when we can also square the numbers using this method vertical and crosswise. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And then 1 is carried forward. 2 into 2 is 4. And 1 was carried forward. So 529. We can also use this for algebraic equations where we are multiplying x plus 3 into x plus 5. So 5 into 3 is 15. Then we have x, 5x and 3x, which makes it 8x. And then we multiply vertically, which is x square. So our final answer would be x square plus 8x plus 15 of the algebraic equation. Sometimes we also get competitive exams questions like this where we have to find the difference. So here also we can apply the same method, vertical and crosswise. So we take 8 into 4, which is 32. Then we multiply crosswise. So 9 into 4 is 36. 8 into 2 is 16, and we had 3 as a carry forward, so which makes us 55. So 5 is again written down and 5 is carried forward. 9 into 2 is 18 plus 5 makes it 2352. So we have got our final answer of vertical and crosswise method, which is 2352. We deducted from 5249 using our Vedic maths method. So this is 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. This becomes 1 because of the mismatched number. So, and number pair is 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. This is number pair 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And this straight away comes 9 minus 2 is 7. So fourth option is our correct answer. This method saves time in exams, helps in decimal, square, algebra, and it's also builds sharp mental agility. So next time you multiply, expand or simplify, remember the magic of this pattern of vertically and crosswise technique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Vedic maths tricks.